In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows Security Center service in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by clicking the Windows icon, then use the search bar and type PowerShell. Once you see it in the results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is important so the command can fully apply system changes. Inside PowerShell, type the command to reset the Windows Security app, then press Enter. This will reinstall and refresh the security interface. After running the command, restart your computer and check if the issue is fixed. If the service is still not working, move on to the next method. Now right-click the Start button and select Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look at the left sidebar and click on Services. After that, click Open Services, located at the upper right corner to open the Full Services window. Scroll down until you find Windows Management Instrumentation. Double-click it to open its properties. Set the startup type to automatic, then make sure the service status is running. If it's not running, go ahead and start it. Once done, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If the issue still persists, continue to the next solution. Click the Start button again and type Windows Security in the search bar. Open it, then click on App Settings. Scroll down until you see the Reset section. First, click Repair and wait for the process to complete. This will try to fix the app without removing its data. If that doesn't fully resolve the issue, click Reset and wait again. This step will completely reset the app to its default state, which often fixes deeper issues. After completing both repair and reset, restart your computer one more time to make sure all changes are properly applied. Once your system is back on, your Windows Security Center service should now be running properly again, keeping your system protected and working as expected. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.